a beginner can understand. So for beginners, here is the thing. Now, do you want a photo of do you want a photo or oil painting? So let's click a photo, okay, of a British short hair cat. Okay, so we have got options like a photo or a oil painting. Which one we want to choose? Of a fuzzy panda, of a British short hair cat, of a Persian cat, or a Shiba Inu raccoon wearing a cowboy hat. This video will be talking about some deep level thing, that is how you can actually use this. Is a research by Google, so you can see that it is named as imagine.research.google, that is published by Google. And here you can see that it's Google research team, the brain team of Google. So this is the paper that they have published in Cornell University. We can actually read, and I'm going to be giving you the link. So how you can actually use as a content creator is very interesting to be true. Now you can see this is known as Imagine, and it is an unprecedented photorealism that is combined with deep level of language understanding. So what we can do is that a bald eagle made of chocolate powder. So I'm going to be showing you that how you can actually use. If you want to read the research paper, here it is. If you want to know the drawbench, you can do it. So now here is these things that are being made, and don't worry, this is not being made by people. That is, no individual artist have actually made. This is all these things are being made by whom? By artificial intelligence, but that is by machines. Yes, all these things are actually being made by almost like machine learning using artificial intelligence. And these things actually look, this photorealism looks simply amazing. I'm going to be showing you that how it works. It is Imagine is an AI system that creates photorealistic images. So how you can actually use all of it? Just think about this, that you give all this data to a software, and after that, if you need a thumbnail of yours, then you can actually get a epic thumbnail. That means, for example, in now the industry benchmark is, I think, Mr. Beast, and you can easily understand that if you take all his thumbnails and you put it into your own format, you will be having the exact same quality of thumbnails. That means what? That means that you are going to be having the exact same quality of thumbnails that Mr. Beast is actually using. And not just that, you will have a great CTR. That is, your CTR, click-through rate, will be increased. Now what is CTR? CTR means that the number of times, for example, if 100 people have seen your content, and 10 people, 20 people, or 50 people, or you can say 60 people clicks your thumbnails. If 10 people clicks your thumbnail, then it is like 10% CTR. And if two people actually have actually clicked onto your this thumbnail, then it is 2 CTR. If 50 people have clicked, it's 50% CTR. So you can actually have a realistic image just like this. You can see mango, whipped cream, all these things. You can easily see all these things are being made by artificial intelligence. Isn't it crazy? I'm going to be showing you how you can actually do it. So here is a system. It's, if you are you can easily understand. I think if you can't understand, it's completely okay. So this is the flow chart, that how it is working. Not just that, you can go on to here to the large pre-trained language model and how it is working with the cascading model. That's the cascaded diffusion model. And we can see something that's completely interesting, that if a newbie or a beginner can understand. So for beginners, here is the thing. Now, do you want a photo or oil painting? So let's click a photo, okay, of a British short hair cat. Okay, so we have got options like a photo or a oil painting. Which one we want to choose? Of a fuzzy panda, of a British short hair cat, of a Persian cat, or a Shiba Inu raccoon wearing a cowboy hat or a wearing glasses, red shirt or black leather jacket, playing a guitar, riding a bike, skateboarding. What are the options? For example, if I need to choose a photo of a Shiba Inu, okay, I need a Shiba Inu wearing sunglasses with a black leather jacket, and I need it to ride a bike. Okay, so or do skateboarding if I need to. in a garden, on top of a mountain. I wanted. So here you can see that I got a photo of Shiba Inu wearing sunglasses, having black leather jacket, skateboarding on top of a mountain. But if I want a fuzzy panda doing that on top of a mountain, here you can see that it is just the same. All this thing is done by artificial intelligence. Now I need it to wear a cowboy hat. Oh my god, look at this. This looks so crazy. It's so cute. Now I need a oil painting of a Persian cat. I need a Persian cat wearing sunglasses. Okay, we can work with the sunglass, having a red shirt. Okay, here is a red shirt, riding a bike, cool with sunglasses on, yeah, on a beach. Perfect, right? So this is a, you can see that this, you can actually click on a word below and you can simply imagine the situations. Okay, so here is some limitations, onto which you can some societal impact that it's going to be creating. Now you can see this is a photo of a corgi riding on a bike in Times Square. So let's make of a corgi. Okay, so do you have a corgi up here? No, we don't have a corgi. So we have a Shiba Inu wearing a cowboy hat, let's assume, black leather jacket. Photo, we need a photo. Cool, this looks cool. Playing a guitar or riding a bike or skateboarding. So we need a riding a bike in a garden or on top of a mountain or on a beach. So this looks cool. So I don't need a Shiba Inu, I need a fuzzy panda. I can change the whole thing. I need a British short hair cat. So we have got the same thing. I need a raccoon. I need a raccoon wearing sunglasses. So you can easily see that how these things are adapting itself up. This is simply crazy. Now, here we can see some chrome plated duck with a golden beak. Yup, with an angry turtle in a forest. All these things, a giant cobra, snake on a farm. The snake is made out of corn. So this is made out of corn. It's a simple snake, a giant cobra, right? So this is the authors, and special thanks to all these people for doing the thing. Not just that, I need to show you something really interesting up here. So here's the research paper that you can go up here. I need to do the draw bench so that I can show it to you. Now we can go back up here. We can go up here. You can see the whole thing. Now if you go on to this link, this is imagine.ai that you can write imagine text to speech or text to image diffusion models. And here is the link that you can go on to. Now if I need to show you this, that a dragon fruit wearing karate belt in, you can see here is the dragon fruit wearing a karate belt, and here is a brain riding a rocket ship heading. This looks, I loved this image to be true. I loved this one, I loved this one, and not just that, I loved that where it was a bird up there. That was simply perfect. I just loved that. For example, you can see this is an image that is being auto-generated. Can you just imagine that we are living in an era that we can actually do all that? You do not need to hire some graphic designers and whatnot. So all these things are being done by artificial intelligence, and it is mind-blowing to be true. And here you can see an octopus up here with a newspaper coming to up through a mirror. I think it is a mirror like Doctor Strange kind of thing. Okay, so here is, this is the image that I loved. This is crazy to be true. This is an extremely angry bird. This looks pretty good. This is just amazing. I just loved it. So that was all for today. I hope that you have enjoyed and got some really great, deep, insightful things that was waiting for you. See you again on another video.